Assalamu alaikum. Today we are doing shading of drawing color part 1. Let's start the shading. So I'll tell you which area you have to shade in dark and where we are using a pencil and a black color pencils. So let's start. We are going to shade this area. Okay, you can just hold a pencil and then shade in one direction. Okay, first of all shade it near the wall. A dark shading towards the wall. Once this is over, we'll just move around with the light shading. Now the same thing I'm repeating it the other side. This side, instead of changing the direction of your pencil, okay, you can just change the direction of the page. It will be easy for you to just change the direction of the page, okay? Otherwise you will spoil your shading. So this is how we are going to. So here also, as we have to move down from this wall, we'll just do like this. Okay, complete it. Whatever color shading is going, because it's just a pencil shading, if it is going outside, don't worry, you'll just use an eraser top and just erase it. This is how you have to complete. Okay, the side corners are little slanted and here also, and the center is straight. This is how you have to complete. See, I have done, after doing the shading, I have taken a paper, a tissue paper, and I have smudged this hole, and after smudging, because let it be even, and then I am using a black color pencil outline and then just a shading of a little bit areas. Now same, you will take a black color pencil and then you have to shade the top part with a black pencil. Okay, because here you are going to, as I told you, you have to use a pencil and a black pencil. So you have to shade the top area, okay, black. And after completing this black color, I'll be coming towards the rest or coloring shading part. Okay, see, I have done the shading of this top part. Okay, and after doing the shading, you can just take your tissue again and then smudge this with the help of a tissue so that it is evenly spread out. Okay, now whatever is coming out, you can use an eraser, erase it. Okay, now take a pencil, black color pencil again, and redraw the line with a black pencil here, and this slanting line also with a black pencil. Now after completing this, you have to come to the top horizontal line. That also will be done with a black pencil. Okay, now make this next slanting line with the black pencil. The same thing you repeat on this side. Now coming to the center of this, okay, because here we are going to have some pattern, we have to draw some pattern, and then again we are going to do the shading of it. Okay, now coming to the pattern of it, so what you will do is you will just take your pencil, okay, and here you are going to make a pattern like this. Okay, continue the same way. You have to make a pattern 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, this thing, this side also, we'll just start making it. Make a curve, come down, 1 2 3 4, like this. Now same thing you have to make it here, but here the design is little different. How you are going to make it, you have to start from here design this shape. Okay, this side. The other one should be opposite, so you have to start from here, leaving equal gap here. Start from here, and then you have to have it like this. Okay, and here in center you will make a small curve. Okay, this is the design which you have. Now again you will be back with your pencil and then start shading it. Okay, for the shading it should be this way. You will not shade the design. Okay, leave the shading white, inside the design white. You just do the shading outside with the pencil, and later on we will just outline it with black pencil. See, like this. Now continue it here as well. Make sure the shading should be in one direction. You will not change the direction, okay, using a pencil shading, but you can change the direction of the page. It will be easy for you. Now coming to the door. So for the door we have to just shade it with the pencil. Okay, as I told you, the shading should be in one direction, so you can change the direction of the page, not your pencil. So you have to shade here like this. Continue with the shading. I'm not shading the center of it, okay, because it is white. I'll just give a light effect, just a little bit. Okay, tissue. Okay, then smudge this pencil like this. Pencil shading on here, all here. Just give it a little bit on white as well. Just spread it, so that also will be shaded. Now take your pencil again, shade this part little dark, the top of area where the door is opened. This you have to shade it dark. Now come here, this side, this also you have to shade. Now coming to black color. Take your black color and then you have to make the design like a wood. Okay, and then complete. Take a scale, outline it black, like this, the top. Complete it with a black outline. You can see it's easy, it's not difficult, just you have to follow the steps. You have to be very careful in following the steps. The steps are quite easy, simple, okay, and if you follow them it will be easy for you to complete the work, because simultaneously we are doing both the things. We are doing the page shading as well as we are doing the outlining, and wherever it is required that we'll use a black color, we are using a black color outline as well. Now after completing this, I'll just close the box outline. See, this is how you will complete your shading using your pencil and black color pencil. And towards the end, just make sure to do the outline. Hope you like it. See you inshallah next time. Till then, thank you very much.